So I finished my control tower box for Onefinity. I redesigned my control panel, just 4 switches because that's only I need. Also change from shit to crap just for more wholesome. So I have 4 switches, spindle display, inside spindle, a BFD and one of control, and also add this USB which is connected to one of the Raspberry USB, and for what do you call this, probe, removable, and I already have this wire so I just reuse it. 3D printed power inlet and outlet. So inlet is, this is a power source, and then one is for the vacuum and one's for the light. Let's try powering on. Main power switch on. One up control turn on automatically. You can still turn it off here, so I don't need to add a separate switch. Basically when you turn it on, one up control is already on. Light, there you go, my LED standing light. And then for vacuum, it was set to auto, off, and then manual. And then spindle, it'll take a time to boot, probably a couple of seconds. Let's wait. And there you go. Let's try setting it to auto. Okay, here, cancel. Since I haven't connected this spindle or stepper motor, so it'll be here. Then start the vacuum, which is M8. Here you go. Then M9 to stop. It works. All I need to do is mount it in here. So I already have these holes, 4 holes that align to aluminum extrusion. Oh, that one's almost blocked. Good. This is the insert for mounting. There are 4. Oh, that's my laser. Yeah, exactly. Matt, that laser aligned exactly to the extrusion of my table. So that will probably, you gotta just store it there. There you go.